You're watching Let's Chat.
My friends from the Master Gardeners of Hamilton County are here to talk about a wonderful expo coming up, the Master Your Garden Expo coming up April 13th. So much fun to have them in the studio. We love talking about plants and gardening. Good to see you, Shirley and Suzanne. Thanks for coming on.
Thanks to be here. Thanks for having us.
You bet. So tell me about the Master Gardeners of Hamilton County. What is its mission, maybe about its history?
Well, Master Gardeners actually started in the state of Washington in the 70s.
Oh.
There was a need to meet the educational needs of the community, residential primarily, and the ag agents through the not UT, but the Extension Service catered more to farmers and that sort of thing. So
Right.
it was developed kind of a citizen volunteer organization to reach out to the community.
And now, from what I understand, it's a real club, and you can become a member, but you have volunteer hours. You have to clean up parts of the city. Is that right?
We wouldn't call it a club,
Okay.
but you know, I can see why people might use that term. But it is a course that you take
Oh, I see. Okay.
to get some education, a foundation of education, and then return that education with service to the community.
Right.
So it's really a volunteer organization.
I love it.
And our goal is for education. We do have some, you know, getting our hands in the soil kind of activities too, but we learn doing that as well.
Right.
And we educate ourselves and continually learn so that we can continue to meet the needs of our community.
Well, let's talk about the upcoming expo. Are we raising money for the Master Gardeners of Hamilton County, and when is it?
The expo is April 13 and 14 at Camp Jordan Arena. This is our 10th expo, missing 2 years of the pandemic, unfortunately, and then we returned. And it also exemplifies our mission of "We teach you how." That is our motto. And we created it to be an all-around place where we could have vendors selling plants and garden products, garden-related tools, even some jewelry and other accessories. And then we also have exhibits, we have demonstrations, and we have talks, lectures that people can go to. So this year we have a lecture on hydrangeas. You can find out how to grow blueberries. You can even do some canning, find out how to make more bluebirds by having a nest box.
So is it only for Master Gardeners, or is there something for everybody?
Oh, there's something for, this is for if you have never stuck your hand in the ground, you can come because there are thousands of people there who will answer your questions. The vendors answer questions, we Master Gardeners answer questions, and then experienced gardeners, people come. We have not only vendors who have been with us for all 10 expos,
Right.
but we have people who keep coming back, and they leave after wandering around for hours with carts full of plants, yard art, beautiful things to put in your garden.
Right.
And they all have smiles on their faces.
Well, I can't wait to go, so our viewers could maybe see me show up. I really love this. April 13th and 14th, 10 to 6 on Saturday and 10 to 4 on the 14th. Camp Jordan Arena tickets are $10. And how can we buy tickets? Are they available there?
They're available at the door, and you can buy them in advance through www.mghc.org.
Perfect.
And the tickets are good for both days.
Oh,
we give you a
fantastic.
wristband so that if you come back because you left something behind that you must have,
Right.
then you can just bring your wristband and we'll let you in.
Well, I love what you all do. I bet you've seen a real surge in gardening since the pandemic, with houseplant enthusiasm has grown, and then outside gardening. Have you all seen that and experienced that even within the organization?
Most definitely.
Wow.
Oh, yes. We also have classes that we give on the third Saturday of the month year-round. And we have a hotline where people can ask questions. If you go to our website, you'll see the hotline email or a phone number. So if you have scale on your plant and you're not quite sure what to do with it, then you can call the hotline and they'll give you some up-to-date, good tips for what to do. Don't throw the plant out.
Oh, it's a Yeah, my giant Shuffle-Air, I have it on the porch now because it is gross. I'm doing 7 and alcohol. But anyway, thank you so much for coming on, Suzanne and Shirley. I will see you at the expo,
We'll look forward
April
to it.
13th, and thank you, and 14th. mghc.org to get your tickets for this gardening experience at Camp Jordan Arena. Thank you again for coming on.
Thanks.
Thank you.